Welcome to my recap video. Let's take a look to see how much I made from the very first affiliate product that actually made me some money online. Stay tuned to see how much I made so far. Yo, it's Sip Rodriguez here, and we're going to take a look at the product that made me some money. And first of all, I want to thank each and every one of you that purchased this product for me. You have proven to me that this internet thing is not BS. That is not a pipe dream. That is actually something that can happen if you put some effort into it. So the very first affiliate product that made me money was Affiliate Pages Pro. And as you can see there's $89.15 in my my wallet. But before we go ahead and withdraw all that stuff, you got to fill out your form W9. What that does is that lets Warrior Plus have some information, so that way they can be all good with the tax man, Uncle Sam, and you can be good with the tax man and your Uncle Sam. As far as I know, you have to claim these earnings, and there will be a deduction that you would have to do for yourself. So this way, in case you have to pay taxes, you have that money set aside. Generally, I like to set aside 30%. So we went through right there and we clicked through, and now we're withdrawing the funds. So we're just going to type in $89.15. After we do fill out the W9 form, we click on withdraw funds. Now it does take about 48 hours. For me, it did take about 30 some hours to get sent over through my PayPal. And so once this money got sent over to my PayPal, I was then able to send it from my PayPal to my bank account. PayPal now has this option where you can give them 1% or up to $10 for a transaction directly to your bank account. And so as you can see here, the status is pending, or that it's in the work. It's a work in progress. But you click on that in the PayPal section, and within about an hour it gets sent and it's in your bank account, and you're ready to use it and spend it and all that good stuff. So which is really great. However, a couple days ago, and this is the power of YouTube, really. I mean, you can go through and put an affiliate program, an affiliate product online like I did, and give massive value, and it could sit there and it can generate, as long as it could generate an income for you, as long as the owner decides to keep selling it. You can make money. So a couple days ago, $26.75 I earned from somebody that bought a product for me. So which is great, you know, and that's amazing. Now I do gotta wait 30 days for it to clear, but that's in case they decide to refund. If they decide to refund, then my earnings get taken away, you know, because I didn't actually sell the product. But after the 30 days, it becomes solidified, which is really good. I like to keep things all in one place and then sent over to PayPal with very few transactions. So I like to send it in lump sums because PayPal, I guess, doesn't like little increments, a lot of little increments. So I like to do that, get it all set. So as you can see here, a total of almost $116 from that one little video, and I stopped there. I didn't make anything else. I didn't do anything else. I didn't do any kind of other optimization because I really wanted the video to be about giving value to an affiliate product that can be helpful to somebody. And it was helpful to me because I bought it myself, right? And let it sit there on your web and develop that rapport and see what it can do. Now, you can do this and you can get no results at all, period. In fact, I've done this already before, and this is the first one that I actually hit. I've done about 3 or 4 other ones that didn't get any sales at all, you know. So I am really beginning to think that this affiliate thing is very doable. You just got to keep at it, keep pushing them out, keep adding value. And I just want to thank you again very much for supporting me, buying my product, and supporting the channel. Please like and subscribe. Till then, take care. Peace out.